record, share screen. Alright, so any questions so far regarding with this one? Yung paano siya nakuha? Or lahat naman?
Sir.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I think lahat kayo is nakuha na to. Moving on. So supposedly magkakaroon ulit kayo ng exercise, but then again, as I told you a while ago, you will only have one piece or one activity instead of having 3, since kulang na tayo sa oras. Okay, so iiwanan ko na to as part of your practice assignment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is conversion of decimal fractions to another basis. So same, we have 3 steps. So first one is repeatedly multiply the given decimal fraction by the base. 2, 8, 16, or any base actually, kung ano man yung pagkakonvert nyo. Then separate the product's integer from its fractional part, and then record the product's integer. So if the product's fractional part is already 0, write all the tallied product's integer by reading them in downward direction. So ito medyo kabaliktaran na. Okay, so malalaman nyo mamaya kung bakit. Okay, so we have an example here. We have 0.625 base 10, and then it is asking us to convert it to binary. Okay, so kung kanina, pag pinapa-convert sa atin yung whole number or yung integer into binary, ang gagamitin natin is divide, di ba? So ito yung dividend natin. Pero kapag fraction part or decimal fraction, so it is not the opposite. We'll be using a multiplier. Okay? So in here we have a multiplier of 2 since it is asking us to convert it to binary. So simply get this one, 0.625 times 2, and then you will get 1.25. So separate those two, integer part and then fraction part. And then get this one, yung fraction part. So 0.25 times 2, and then you will get 0.50. So 0 dito, since wala namang whole number, sagot na yun. So 0.50 lang dito. And then kunin nyo lang to lahat, 0.50 times 2, then you will get 1. Then of course, 0 na sa fraction natin. And then kapag naging 0 na yung sa fraction, then that's the time that you will stop multiplying. Then whatever is the value of the integer that is lined up in here, just get that one from top to bottom. So again, kabaliktaran lang. Kung kanina from bottom to top, ito naman from top to bottom. Kung kanina, divide, ngayon naman multiplication. Okay? Yun ay kapag decimal fraction na. So I hope medyo hindi kayo nalito doon. Though, binaliktad lang naman lahat. Actually. Okay? And then, kunin nyo lang to. So 101 or 0.101 since this one is in the form of a fraction or a decimal. Okay, so I'll give you guys 30 seconds to 1 minute to analyze kung paano ba nangyari yun, kung bakit or paano nakuha yung 0.101. So again, do not forget to put the base 2. Alright, so sino na nakagets or sinong parang okay na sa tingin niya, nakuha niya na yung concept? Anyone? Answer please, so that I know what to do kung sakaling hindi nyo pa na-gets.
Gets, sir.
Yes na, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So I hope yung mga hindi sumasagot, so I hope na-gets nyo rin. Okay. Kung meron mang clarification, so ask me now or message me now para masolve na natin kagad-agad. Okay, so next example, we have 0.6875 base 10, and then it is asking us to convert it to binary. So again, same concept. So 0.6875 times 2, since yun yung pagko-convert natin, and then you will get 1.375. So I hope, again, may hawak kayong calculator o yung calculator ng desktop nyo para ma-recheck nyo kaagad-agad. Kasi sinasabi ko lang na ito yon yung makukuha nyo, malay nyo, mali pala or iba yung sagot na nagpakita, di ba? So 0.6875 times 2 is 1.375. And then get this one, fraction part, 0.375 times 2, you'll get 0.75. So 0 sa integer, and then 0.75 sa fraction. And 0.75 times 2 is 1.5. So 1 sa integer, and then 0.5 sa fraction. So alam nyo, parang dito pa lang, alam nyo na dapat na ito na yung pinalas. Kasi 0.5 times 2 is 1. And having a result of 0 in fraction. So dito kapag 0 na yung sa fraction, then that's the time that you will stop multiplying. Whatever is lined up here in the integer part, then just cut at 1 from top to bottom. So you will have an answer of 1011 or 0.1011 base 2. So again, ilang beses kong pinapaalala, do not forget the base. That's an indicator that you have already converted this decimal into binary. Okay, so are we clear?
Sir, lagi po
Yes,
bang
sir.
decimal?
Ano yan?
Lagi po bang may 0.1011?
Kasi
Lagi.
decimal fraction to. Lagi niyong ilalagay itong 0 point something. So malalaman niyo mamaya kung bakit kailangan yung 0 point something. Actually, ito rin sa third example, I think. Hindi pa. Okay, mamaya pa yan. Okay. So next example is 0.359375 base 10. And then now it is asking us to convert it to octal. So same process. So our multiplier now is 8 since octal yung pag-convert natin. So 0.359375 times 8, you will get 2.875. So just put here 2 and then 0.875 here. And then 0.875 times 8, you will get 7. Okay, and then 0 sa fraction. So once na 0 na yung sa fraction, then that's the time that you will stop multiplying. Then whatever is on the integer product, just get this one from top to bottom. So 27 or 0.27. Base 8. Okay? So bakit kailangan ng point? Kasi nga decimal fraction to or fraction part to. So separate actually yung integer part sa fraction part natin, which is this one. Okay? So now we have an example of integer or whole number and then a fraction part. Okay, so kung papansin niyo, separate din yung solution natin. Okay, so separate the integer from its fractional part. So kunin nyo muna yung 3023, lagay nyo dito, lagay nyo rin yung 0.3203125 dito. So magka-separate sila. Okay? Kapag whole number, bottom to top. Kapag fraction part, top to bottom. Okay? Kapag whole number, divide. Kapag fraction part, multiply. So I hope hindi kayo malito doon. Okay? Alright, so let's do the integer part first. So 3023 divided by 16 is equal to 188 point something. Okay? So please recheck. Ano yung makukuha natin dito?
0.9375.
9375. Who's that? Miss Fatima. Okay, thank you for that one, Miss Fatima. So 0.9375 times 16, you will get 15. So double conversion to since 15 is equivalent to letter F in hexadecimal. Okay, and then 188 divided by 16 is 11 point something.
11.75, sir.
11.75. So 0.75 times 16, you will get 12. And then in hexadecimal, 12 is letter C. Okay, and then 11 divided by 16 is 0 point something.
875.
875?
6875, sir.
687. Yeah. So 0.6875 times 16, then you will get 11. And in hexadecimal, 11 is letter B. Okay, so kung ano yung makuha nyo dito sa integer part, yun na yun. So BCF. Lagay nyo lang dito, BCF, and then dot. So dito naman tayo sa fraction part. So 0.320325 times 16. Okay? So hindi na siya divide. So kabaliktad lang sila. And then you will get 5.125. Okay? And then 0.125 times 16, you'll get exactly 2. So pag 0 na to, then that's time that you will stop multiplying. So whatever is in the integer part, so integer to, ito naman yung remainder or yung fraction part. So, kunin nyo lang to, 52. So, ito na yun, that 52. Kaya kailangan natin yung mga dot kanina kasi sa fraction lang to. Okay, sa decimal lang. And, kasi pag meron tayong whole number, then sasalpak nyo lang dito. So, this one, 3023.320325 base 10, 2 decimal is equal to BCF.52. So, may missing dito which is the units or the base. Dapat to is base 16. Okay? Any questions so far?
None, sir.
Alright. So how about the others?
Answer.
Yeah, that's good.
Answer.
Answer.
Okay, very good, very good.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So I hope hindi yung nag-yes lang kayo dahil nahihiya kayo. So dapat dito mas wala kayong hiya. Kasi di ko nakikita yung mukha niyo eh. So pwede nyo pampalitan yung pangalan nyo. Okay, but don't do that. Okay, mas magandang yung real name nyo yun nandito para kasi nakikita ko palagi nagre-recite eh. Yung lagi sumasagot. Lagi nagre-recite po. Sige na nga lang, from 72 gagawin yung 75. Diba? Yung mga ganung factor. Malay mo, maawa instructor. Alright, so next one. So again, exercise. But then again, hindi ko na ito bibigay since wala nang ulit tayong oras. So this one will be part of your practice assignment. Okay. So from decimal to binary, decimal to base 4, decimal to base 12, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as a summary, so you can convert a decimal to any base to decimal. Ano pa ba? Binary to hexadecimal. Ano pa ba? Parang bang nandis ko? Ayun. Ito pala. Decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to binary, or decimal to n base. Okay, so basically yung mga ginawa natin process kanina, yun yung mga possible ways na pwede nyong i-convert. Okay? So next one is hexadecimal to binary conversion. So ito na yung part na madali kapag naintindihan yung pinaka-first part. So kung papansinin nyo, meron na tayong binary dito and then meron tayong hexadecimal. So kung babalikan nyo yung kanina, okay, dito, decimal yung nauna and then hexadecimal naman dito. So binaliktad lang. Okay? Pero meron siyang kadugtong dito wherein yung decimal na to has an equivalent of binary, which is this one, binary. Okay? So, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, meron tayong 4-bit wherein this one has a value of 1, 2, and then 4, and then 8. Okay, so same din lang dito. So, minagkaiba lang, letter na yung nandito. So, instead of having a value of 10 here, then 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. So, in hexadecimal, 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is T, and then 14 is E, and then 15 is F. So, same lang din to dito. So, kapag kailangan natin ng 13, so, ang value niyan is 8 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Having a value of 13, wherein 13 in hexadecimal is letter D. And so on and so forth. So, ano na ganun pa rin. Okay? And then just take note, if it's hexadecimal, so we'll be needing 4 binary bits or 4-bit. Okay? And then if it's octal, ang kailangan lang natin is ilan? Kapag octal.
8.
8? Ilang bit? Hindi, ilang bit. Ito, 4-bit lang eh. Sa hexadecimal, 4-bit lang ang kailangan natin. Kasi ito na yung 0 to 15. Sagad na to eh. Kapag activated to lahat, ang maximum value nito is 15, which is this one. But how about in octal? Ilang bit yung kailangan natin?
Seven.
Ano yan?
Diba 7?
Ano, hindi ko masyado marinig.
0 to 7. 0 to 7.
0 to 7. So, ilang digit yon dapat? Ilang bits pala?
8 sa?
3 lang. So, kailangan lang natin ng 3 bit. Okay? Kasi, ang value nito is 1, ito rin is 2, and then ito rin is 4. Ngayon, kapag kailangan natin ng 7, which is the maximum of octal, so activate nyo lang lahat. So, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Ngayon, kapag pag naging 4-bit to, let's say meron pang additional dito where inactivated to, hindi na to octal. Okay? Papansin niyo hexadecimal na to. Kasi this one now is ranging from 0 to 15. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Yes, sir.
ganun lang naman yung parang pinagkaiba nila. So, in octal, 3 lang. 1, 2, 4. Alright. So, let's convert this one from hexadecimal to binary. So, actually, sobrang dali nito kapag actually, parang hindi nyo naman i-memorize eh. Actually, parang, yun. Basta alam nyo yung pinaka-right side is 1. Then just simply multiply it by 2. 1, 2, 4, 8. And yun na yun. Okay, so convert natin to isa-isa. So, itong 1 na to is representing this 4-bit binary. This letter A is this 4-bit binary. This letter F is 4-bit. And then another 4-bit. Okay? So, I hope that one is clear. So, check natin. So, kapag 1, of course, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Kapag A, which is 10, so we need 8 and then 2. So, 8 and then 2. And then the rest are 0. If it's F, then activate everything. 1, 1, 1, 1. If it's 5, we need 4 and 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, pwedeng ito na yung final answer nyo, or if you want to simplify it more, then you can simply remove this 1. It will not affect your answer. So, you can just put here 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 0, 1, 0, 1. Base 2. Okay, so that's how you convert hexadecimal into binary. Actually, mas madali pa to kaysa sa mga nauna. Kasi parang kahit manually lang sa utak, kayang-kaya na. Are we clear so far in this one? Example number 1, kung paano siya nakuha.
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
So, isa lang na tip ko kapag nasa paper, pag sa paper, lagyan nyo ng space. Gaya nito. Group nyo to by 4-bit. Huwag nyo pagdudugtong-dugtongin. Kasi mahirap i-check. Suggestion ko lang naman yan pag paper. Pero kapag sa Canvas, so hindi na ako magbibigay ng identification, lahat na lang multiplication para hindi complicated. Okay? Alright, so example number 2. So, convert 306.p base 16 or hexadecimal to binary. Okay, so again, group lang natin siya by 4. So, 3, we need 0, 1, 1, which is this 1. And then for 0, still 0, 4 zeros. And then for 6, so kailangan natin ng 4 at 2, which is 0, 1, 1, 0. And then that for letter D. So letter D is ilan? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. Kailangan natin 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 is 4 plus 1. Okay? And then to simplify this one a little bit more, just remove those 2, 0, and then have this one as your final answer, which is the same also. Clear naman? So, sinong naguguluhan pa?
Patro, sir.
Ano?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay, that's good.
Nuggets, sir.
Ay, nuggets. Chicken.
Chicken.
Clear. Hindi ko alam yung gets niya. Hindi ko alam yung ganong sagot. Okay. So, next one. So, vice versa naman tayo. So, if we can convert hexadecimal to binary, we can also bring it back to its original form. So now we can, or it is now asking us to convert it from binary to hexadecimal. Okay? So, eto muna yung ibibigay sa inyo initially, of course. So, kung papansinin nyo, sobrang gulo. Kasi magkakadugtong. So, ang tip dyan is group it by 4 bits. Starting from the decimal point, going to the left for the whole number, and then going to the right for the fraction part. Okay? And then represent each 4-bit groups to its equivalent hex number. So, ano yung mga hex number natin? Yun na yung mga decimal number natin. Or hexadecimal number, which is 0 to 15. Okay? So, gamitin ko lang yung mahiwaga kong pen. So, ito na yung 4-bit, which is this one. Another 4-bit for this one. Another 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bit for this one. Then another 4-bit for this one. And then another 4-bit na invisible yung dalawang 0. Okay? So after nyo i-group by 4-bit, then that's the time that you can get the equivalent hexadecimal. Okay? So, pwede kayo mag-start kahit sa right or sa left, same lang din yun. So, dito na lang tayo sa left mag-start. So, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then, 4 plus 1 still 5. And then 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Wherein 13 in hexadecimal is letter D. Okay? So after nyo makuha yung mga yan, linya lang. Yan na yun. So 3955.D. And then base 16. Nuggets?
Chicken.
Nuggets.
Chicken.
And crystal? Wala pa.
Clear.
Clear.
Very good.
Clear, sir.
Mga grade 1 dito. Okay. So moving on. So let's have another example. So now from octal to binary. Okay? So as I told you a while ago, in octal, 3-bit lang. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan i-group yan by 4-bit. Alright. So 17.5. So ito na yung 1 natin. Ito yung 7. Ito yung 5. So for 1, of course, it's 0, 0, 1. For 7, it's 1, 1, 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. For 5 is 4 plus 1. So same din siya sa hexadecimal kanina. So you can remove those 2 0 to simplify further your answer, then having an answer of 1, 1, 1, 1.101 base 2. Okay? Clear?
Clear.
Okay, that's good. Alright. So, super basic na lang na ito. Meron pa tayong another example. Ngayon naman is binary to octal. Okay? So, again, ito yung ibibigay sa inyo, of course, from binary. And then if it's asking us to convert it to octal, so you have to group it by 3. If it's asking us to convert it to hexadecimal, then you have to group it by 4. Pero dito, since octal, so you have to group it by 3. So, ito yung mula sa decimal. Ito yung 3-bit natin. 3-bit. 3-bit, 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 and then another 3, wherein we have an invisible 0 here. Okay? So, ito na yung mga bits na yan. Okay? And then 0, 1, 1 is 3, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 2, and then 1, 0, 1 is 5, and then that, copy nyo lang yun. And then 1, 1, or 0, 1, 1 is 3, and then 1, 0, 1 is 5. Base 8. Okay? So, ganun lang naman siya ka-simple. Clear? Gets naman?
Gets po.
Okay, that's good.
Chicken, sir.
Chicken. That's good. Alright. So, pag may question kayo, interrupt me anytime. So, again, as a summary, you can convert hexadecimal to binary, octal to binary, or vice versa. Binary to hexadecimal or binary to octal. Okay? Alright, so assignment. So, hindi ko na ito bibigay as your assignment. So, again, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, Ito mga to will be part of your practice assignment. But, not need or di kailangang i-pass. Kailangan nyo na i-solve to para, para may mapapraktisan kayo for the future quiz. Okay? So next one is operations on numbers. So in here we have binary, octal, and then hexadecimal. Okay. So first one is addition or binary addition. Okay, so it says here binary addition is very simple, which is true naman talaga. Very simple. It is same rule as decimal. Okay? So pag sinabi natin 1 plus 1, of course 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. Pero kung titignan nyo dito, 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 100. Okay? So, naguluhan na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, base muna kayo dito
One,
sa
two.
table. So, ito yung table natin. So, 1 plus 0 is, of course, 1. 0 plus 0 is, of course, still 0. 0 plus 1 is still 1. But in here, 1 plus 1 is 10. So, paano nangyari yon? So, basically, kung gagawin niyo yung common math, yung normal way of doing the math, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Mali. Okay, it's good. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan natin is binary addition. Okay? Wala tayong 2 sa binary. Ano ba ang representation ng 2 sa binary? So again, balikan natin. Meron tayong 4-bit wherein this one is representing 1, 2, 4, and then 8. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Ano ba yung 2 dito?
0, 0, 1, 0.
0, 0, 1, 0. Or
1, 0.
just simply 1, 0.
10.
10,
I want 0.
That's how we've got
0.
Okay?
Mm.
So the same with this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is equal to 3. So in here, we need 0, 0, 1, 1.
And 1.
That's why we have a result of 11.
Okay.
8.
Okay. So same with this one. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So dito, ang kailangan natin activate is ito. So 1, 0, 0. Having a result of 100. Okay? So hindi na kayo malilito kung ilang 1 man yung idadagdag nyo. So question. Paano kapag 5 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Ilan na to?
5, sir.
5. So in binary, ilan?
101. 0101.
0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1.
Yeah, good. All right. So let's have an example. So 1 plus 1 is 10. So carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So carry 1, bring down 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. So carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1, or masyadong mahaba yung plus, plus, plus. So sabihin ko na lang kung ilang number. So dito we have 3, 1. So 11. So carry 1, bring down 1. 2, 1 is 10. So carry 1, bring down 0. And then just simply bring down this remainder. So having a result of 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay? Chicken?
Nuggets.
Okay, it's good.
Clear.
Very good, very good.
There.
Okay, so let's have another example. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Yan naman eh. O, isang 1 lang, 1. Dalawang 1, 10. So carry 1,
10.
bring down 0. Dalawang 1, 10. Carry 1, bring down 0. Dalawang 1 ulit. Carry 1, bring down 0. So tatlong 1. Carry 1, bring down 1. Dalawang 1. Carry 1, bring down 0. Dalawang 1. Carry 1, bring down 0. Tatlong 1. Carry 1, bring down 1. And then bring down the remainder. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so let's answer this one. So, nagagamit yung pencil niyo, di ba? Ito yung pinakapag-drawing eh. Who wants to answer this one? Okay, mamaya na lang pala. Mamaya na lang. Dito na lang. Mas exciting to, number 3, mamaya. Meron na lang tayong 3 minutes. So, tatapusin ko lang tong number 2. And then, let's have another break again. Alright, so, may nakita ko may pwede magsulat. Yan. So, mamaya. So, 1 plus 1 or 2, 1 is 10. So, carry 1, bring down 0. 2, 1 ulit is carry 1, bring down 0. Yan ito. Tinatanggal yun. Yan. Okay. Oops. Comment. Nasaan na yung aking pencil? Okay, so meron tayong T1. So carry 1. Oops. Carry 1, bring down 1. 2, 1 is 10. Carry 1, bring down 0. 2, 1 is 10. Carry 1, bring down 0. 2, 1, carry 1, bring down 0. 2, 1, carry 1, bring down 0. And then 3, 1 is 11. So carry 1, bring down 1. And then bring down the remainder 1. Okay. So that's how we've got 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0.
0.
Okay, so meron na lang tayong 2 minutes. So we will answer this one later since medyo mahaba-haba to. Okay, so sa mga walang question, so you may now leave again. And then wait na lang ulit kayo 5 to 7 minutes for the part 3 or part 4. Part 4 na yata. Okay, so bye-bye for now. Sa may mga questions, so pwede pang magtanong. Meron pang 1 minute and 48 seconds.